Very good afternoon, students. Today we are discussing about the question number 4. In question number 4, third Roman number question. See the question number 3. Show that left hand side determinant value is equal to prove that 9 into a plus b plus c whole cube means we are taking left hand side determinant to prove that RHS value is 9 into a plus b plus c whole cube. Now we are going to solution. First of all, we are taking left hand side determinant. Now, which condition is existed? Observe these friends. Normally 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into a plus b plus c whole cube. Forget it in cube. 3 into a plus b plus c if you want. 3 into a plus b plus c if you want. That's why. Observe here. First one, what is there? A minus 3b minus 3c. But here b, what is the constant value? 3. C, what is the constant value? Is 3. Here same constant value if you want to 3, but only a is there. That's why a which you have substitute will get to minus 3a. So r1 changes to r1 minus r2. Next here also. Here minus 3c is there. Here minus 3a is there. But here 3 is missing. That's why r2 changes to r2 minus r3. Can take condition is r1 changes to r1 minus r2. R1 changes to r1 minus r2. Next, and r3 changes to r3, not r3. R2 changes to r2 minus r3. So apply the condition is r1 changes to r1 minus r2. R2 changes to r2 minus r2. So apply this condition. R1 changes to r1 minus r2. So a minus 3b minus 3c minus 4a. 4b minus of b minus 3c minus 3a. Next is 4c minus 4c. Next r2 changes to r2 minus r3. 4a minus 4a. b minus 3c minus 3a minus 4b. 4c minus of c minus 3a minus 3b. So after does not change, so writing like this: 4a, 4b, c minus 3a minus 3b. Simplify this one. This one we get minus 3a minus 3b minus 3c. Here we are getting 4b minus b, 3b. Means we are getting 3a plus 3b plus 3c. This one is 0. This one value is 0. Here also we are getting minus 3a minus 3b minus 3c. So here also getting 4c minus is 3c. Means we are getting also 3a plus 3b plus 3c. The right hand is 4a, 4b, c minus 3a minus 3b. After that, we are taking minus common outside. For taking minus common outside, effect of the value is 3a plus 3b plus 3c. Next, 3a plus 3b plus 3c is 0. 0. Here minus common outside. 3a plus 3b plus 3c. Here 3a plus 3b plus 3c. 4a, 4b, c minus 3a minus 3b. Observe your students. First row and the second row. First one taking common from. First one taking common 3a plus 3b plus 3c in first row. Taking second, taking 3a plus 3b plus 3c in common in second row. So taking common 3a plus 3b plus 3c in first row and second row. So 3a plus 3b plus 3c taking common in first row and second row. First I am taking first row 3a plus 3b plus 3c taking common outside. First row taking common 3a plus 3b plus 3c in first row. Next I am taking common from 3a plus 3b in second row. That's why we are writing 3a plus 3b plus 3c. First row I am taking common 3a plus 3b plus 3c in first row. Taking common 3a plus 3b plus 3c in second row. So when you are taking common 3a plus 3b plus 3c, left of the elements are minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 4a, 4b, c minus 3a minus 3b. 3a plus 3b plus 3c taking common in first row. One more 3a plus 3b plus 3c taking in second row. Taking common in second row. Now 3a plus 3b plus 3c into 3a plus 3b plus 3c means 3a plus 3b plus 3c whole square. Because something in here, a square like that, 3a plus 3b plus 3c into 3a plus 3b plus 3c means 3a plus 3b plus 3c whole square. Now we should find out the determinant value plus minus plus. Now minus 1 we are taking minus 1 present in the first row, first column element. We should find out determinant 3 by 3 matrix. Whichever we are taking that particular row, that particular column eliminated. After that we should apply the cross multiplication method. Minus 1 into c minus 3a minus 3b minus 4b into 1 is minus 4b. Next to minus 1, 0 into anything else is 0, minus 4a into 1 is 4a, plus 0, 0, 0 into 4b is 0, minus of 1 plus 4a. Next simplify this one. 3a, a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Therefore we shall apply here 3a whole square, 3b whole square, 3c whole square, 2ab. 2 into a is 3a to 3b plus 2 into 2bc means 2 into 3b into 3c. Because of in place of a 3a is there, in place of b 3b is there, in place of c 3c is there. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2. In place of a, what is there? 3a. In place of b 3b, like that. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 2c where in place of 3c is there, in place of a is there. Plus into here minus 1 into multiply with negative minus c plus 3a plus 3b minus 4b. Minus into minus plus 4a. 0 into anything where is 0. Now 9a square, 3b square is nothing but 9b square, 9c square plus 18ab plus 18bc plus 18ca into minus 1 3a plus 3b minus c plus 3 plus 3b minus 4b. So we get minus c plus 3a minus c plus 3a plus 3b minus 4b. That value is minus b plus 4a. After simplification, 9a square plus 9b square plus 9c square plus 18ab plus 18bc plus 18ca into here multiply with negative. So minus 1 into minus that is plus ca minus 3a plus b plus 4a. Now 9 we are taking common outside. a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca into minus 3a plus 4ab plus b plus c. Now in this function I am taking 9 common outside. The left of the is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here students, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca can be written as a plus b plus c whole square form. A plus b plus c whole square form is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That one can be written as a plus b plus c whole square into a plus b plus c. Now 9 into a plus b plus c whole square into a plus b plus c is nothing but a plus b plus c whole cube. This is the solution for this question here students. This is RHS. This. So finally we got the RHS value. This is the solution for this question. First we have to do that. Observe this one right hand side value under first element. So very easily solving this solution. So here applying there are two conditions. After that taking these two common outside, finally we have to apply the determinant condition. Definitely we get the solution. This is the solution for this question. Students, I think you are understanding the solution. Next we are going to question number 4. Same question but different elements. Same thing only. See the question number 4. Very easy, that one also. Same condition applying that question also. See the question number 4. Very easy question number 4 also. Same process, same conditions applying there also. See the question number 4. Show that a minus 2b minus 2c, a minus 2b minus 2c, 3b and 3c. Next is 3a, b minus 2c minus 2a, 3c, 3a, 3b, c minus 2a minus 2b. To prove that 4 into a plus b plus c whole cube. In before question, in place of 2 what is the value is there? 3 is there. In place of 3 what is there? 4 is there. But right hand side, in before question 9 into a plus b plus c whole cube is there. But in this question 4 into a plus b plus c whole cube. First we have observed that a 4 into a plus b plus c whole cube. Don't see the power, no, only can observe this one. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 a plus b plus c whole cube. Means first we have to observe 2 into a plus b plus c. But observe in this, b coefficient 2 is there, c coefficient 2 is there, a coefficient also 2. If you want what to do, r1 changes to r1 minus r2, r3 changes to r2 changes to r2 minus r3. Same process here friends. See the left hand side. See the solution reaction. First we are taking left hand side determinant value a minus 2b minus 2c, 3b, 3c, 3a, b minus 2c minus 2a, 3c, 3a, 3b, c minus 2a minus 2. Applying the condition, same condition, r1 changes to r1 minus r2 and r2 changes to r2 minus r3. Applying this condition, r1 changes to r1 minus r2, 3b minus of b minus 2c plus 2a, 3c minus 3c. R2 changes to R2 minus R3, 3a minus 3a, b minus 2c minus 2a minus 3b, 3c minus of c minus 2a minus 2b. Third one does not change, that's why I write it as it is 3a, 3b, simplify this one. This one we get minus 3a minus 3b, not minus 3a, minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c. Here we get 2a plus 2b plus 2c, 0, 0, b minus 3, that is minus 2b. Here also getting minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c. We are getting 2a plus 2b plus 2c. After simplification we get the value is 2a plus 2b plus 2c. 3a, 3b, c minus 2a minus 2b. After that we are taking minus common outside, minus taking common outside, 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Here also 2a plus 2b plus 2c, 0, 0. Here taking common minus outside, so 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Here 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Next here 3a, 3b, c minus 2a minus 2b. Now, first row what is the common element here friends? 2a plus 2b plus 2c common in first row, and 2a plus 2b plus 2c also common in second row. That's why first row and second row both the elements are common. That's why taking common 2a plus 2b plus 2c in first row and second row. First row taking common 2a plus 2b plus 2c, and second row also taking common 2a plus 2b plus 2c. So first row we are taking common 2a plus 2b plus 2c. What is the left of the elements? Minus 1, 1, 0. Second row taking common 2a plus 2b plus 2c. In second row we left of the elements is 0, minus 1, 1. So third element write as this 3a, 3b, c minus 2a minus 2b. Now 2a plus 2b plus 2c into 2a plus 2b plus 2c means 2a plus 2b plus 2c whole square. Now find the determinant value. How to find the determinant of 3 by 3 condition is how to consider plus, minus, plus. So first element is minus 1. So whenever we first element we are taking that particular row, that particular column are eliminated, write as determinant of left of the elements of minus 1, 1, 3b, c minus 2a minus 2. After that we should apply the cross multiplication method. That's why minus 1 into c minus 2a minus 2b minus 3b into 1 is 3b. Next, second symbol is negative, element is 1. After that minus 1 present in the first row, second column eliminated. So write as a determinant of left of the element. After that cross multiply with the left of the elements. 0 into anything is 0, minus 3a into 1 is 3a. Next, plus 0. 0 present in the first row, third columns are eliminated. So cross multiply with the left of the elements. 0 into 3b value is 0, minus 3a into minus 1 is minus 3a minus of minus plus 3a. Now this is formed like a plus b plus c whole square is can be written as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2a formula apply. In place of a, 2a is there, 2a whole square. In place of b, 2b is there, 2b whole square. In place of c, 2c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into in place of a 2a, in place of b 2b, 2bc in place of b, 2b is there, in place of c 2c is there, plus 2ca in place of c, 2c is there, in place of a 2a is there. After that minus 1 into multiply with negative here we get minus c plus 2a plus 2b minus 3b. This is minus into minus plus 3a, 0 into everything where is 0. Next here 4a square, 4b square, 4c square 8ab 8bc plus 8ca into, now multiply with negative we get c minus 2a minus 2b c minus into minus plus minus not like that, minus 1 into minus c plus 2a plus 2b minus 3b, that is called minus b plus 3a plus 3a. Now in this 4 you are taking common, 4 you are taking common outside, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next this one multiply with negative, c minus a plus b plus 3a plus 3a. Now a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca can be written as a plus b plus c whole square form, that is this one is a plus b plus c because of minus a plus 3a, that is one is called, this is 2a not a, this is 2a minus 2a plus 3a, that is plus a plus b plus c. Now a plus b plus c whole square into a plus b plus c is nothing but a plus b plus c whole cube. So 4 into a plus b plus c whole cube. Finally we got the RHS value. This is the RHS value. So this is the solution for this question, dear students. I think you will understand the question number 3 and question number 4. Suppose if you have any doubts then please chat with me. I will explain once again. So tomorrow class we are discussing about question number 4. Thank you all.